What's up, my garage people? Look what came today. We got a package. Let's see what it is. I know what it is, but you guys don't. Well, you probably know from the thumbnail, but let's make believe anyway. We don't know what it is. Let me put this down so I can open it. Okay, and here it is. It is the Atom X88 Infinity. And it did come with the free gun bud lighting system that goes around the cup. Let's open her up. Here we got our 600 milliliter. Feels like an aluminum cup, but it has steel threading that goes on the gun. Currently in the gun, it's a 1.3 tip, but this does come with the extra needle, the actual 1.4 tip. So you get a 1.3 and a 1.4. Here is the cleaning kit. You got a brush, the tool to take it apart, a little filter, the 1/4 inch connector, and some clips. I'm not too sure what these clips are. And you get a couple O-rings for replacement. We got the manual. And the moment we've all been waiting for. Oops, this is in here kind of tight. It's in a nice little baggie. And here she is, the Atom X88. It's a LVLP MP cap HTE gun. This thing is made well. I mean, it has some weight to it. It's a little heavy, but I mean, I'm sure quality, you're going to get a heavier product. Let's see. It says max 8 bar, 116 psi. That's crazy. As you see here, it says LV, LP, MP. We got our connection. I'm sure this is our air nozzle. This is our needle, and this is our fan. It comes with a little cap on it to protect it. Let's take that off. And there it is. The MPR 2320 Atom X. And like I said, this needle is interchangeable. Currently there's a 1.3 in it, and it comes with also 1.4. But this is a nice looking gun, guys. I mean, it feels good. Right now they got it all the way closed, so there's no play, but yeah, this is a nice looking gun. I can't wait to use it. That's it. Now, I do have the Atom X 16 Mini, and that's the gun bud. All Atom guns come with a gun bud. Now this one came with the gun bud, the cap, the thing that holds the fluid. God, I can't think of it right now. But this one did come with a regulator. That holder is a little too big. I do have my Harbor Freight guns. I got my 1.7 and 1.3. I use this for clear and base. I use this for primers only. This, anything, epoxy primers, base, clear. This lays down real good. This lays down real good too. Don't underestimate the Harbor Freight. It is a pretty good gun. And all those are HVLP. This is my only LVLP. Now they say these are good for base and clear, better for clear. You know, I watched Tony's videos, and you know, he speaks highly of these. So I decided, why not? Let's take a chance on it. But it does feel good, you know. It has a good feel to it. I just wish it did come with a regulator like the Atom X16 came with. The Atom X16 is the mini. I just wish it came with the regulator. Don't mind the mess in the garage. My lady does her craft stuff, so her stuff is everywhere right now. But yeah, when we get ready to paint something, we will test this out. This was just an unboxing video of the Atom X88. And yeah, got another one for the collection. Oh, that's my card I painted. Got it all set up. It's a paint card. Got all my stuff on there. I keep my paint and everything inside in the cooler temps. Got the drawer all set up. I just threw this in here, but I got two other pearls and flake. Now, actually, when you order an Atom X spray gun, they do send you, they do send you the offer. Okay, you get an offer when you order from Zula. You can get a free bag of pearls or flake. You just got to leave a review of the gun you purchased from them on their page. This is one of their pearls, X Finishes pearls. It's a lava red pearl. I have a rainbow pearl, and I have a carbon graphite pearl. I think I'm gonna order the gold pearl this time because it's free anyway. So yeah, it's not a bad deal. I don't know. Like I said, the X16, it sprays pretty good. Now I'm still kind of new to the paint stuff, so I haven't used super high-end guns. But I mean, for what I've done, they've worked good. So even the Harbor Freights. So that's about as much as I could say for them. And then when you have a good setup, you know, 60-gallon compressor, dryer system back there on the wall. When you have a good setup, you know, you can't really go wrong with too much stuff. I did paint this cart, and I painted this cart with the Harbor Freight guns. I do have a video of me painting that stuff. Now I'll put links in the description of where I got this and the X16. The Harbor Freight, I'm sure everybody knows about Harbor Freight. You can go pick those up anywhere at a Harbor Freight or order them from eBay. And also, you know, when you go to order these, any guns from Atom X or Zula, always go on Google and put in Zula coupons. Some of the coupons that'll come up, they may be valid, still be valid, they may not be, but take a chance on them. Because I had got $55 off this gun using one of the coupon codes I found online. So, and the shipping was pretty quick too. I think I ordered it Sunday. It's now Thursday. It came today. And it looks like it came all the way from New York, bordering Canada. So, it gets here pretty quick. I mean, you could put express shipping on it. all that stuff. But of course, you're gonna pay more than if you spend over $249. Shipping is free. So I didn't pay for shipping. I just had them use their service. But yeah, that's the gun. I will get back to you when I get ready to spray something with it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, and share. I'm trying to build my little channel. Yeah. All right, guys. Got the police outside. Chasing somebody, sound like. None of our business, whatever. And that's it. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed. I'll talk to you later.